No bullshit. Continent, country, and a salary. All the QA engineers or our graduates who recently got job offers all over the world. So you guys would know on which continent, in which country, how much money can you realistically make. My name is Sergey Kromchenko and I'm a software QA engineer, lead manager, and a senior engineering manager of SDET in the past. But these days, I'm helping people like you. And all of these people right here that you're about to see on this video, as I've been mentoring for the last 9 years. Anyways, let's get started. First of all, we're flying all the way to Asia and we're going to talk about salaries in Indonesia, where our recent graduates got a job offer. This guy right here went for a test automation engineering course. It took him 2 months to find a job offer. He said it wasn't too challenging, and finally he sent me this message right here saying that he got a job offer, and that was $3,000 job offer. That's quite crazy for Indonesia, for Asian country right there. But as soon as we move to Africa, you guys are going to be shocked. I was shocked myself. Now, we're talking about South Africa and Zimbabwe. Couple of days ago, literally from the day that I'm recording this video right here, I got a message from a girl named Zianda. She was our recent student. Actually, hold on, she did not graduate yet. She will graduate in 1 month. She sent me this message right here saying that she got a job offer. And you guys cannot even imagine. She got pretty much European/US salary from Africa. This is not standard. I'm not here to BS you and tell you, hey, everyone can get a US salary, whatever you are. No, this is more of an exception. Just imagine, you're living in South Africa and you're making $80,000 per year. While this is amazing, I want you guys to fly with me to Zimbabwe, where we recently had another graduate. This young girl, I believe she's 18 or 19, she called me over a Zoom meeting. By the way, guys, you can schedule free one-on-one with me right here. And she asked me how much will it be to pay for the course, as she's from Zimbabwe and she need to ask her mom to pay for her education. So she couldn't sign up for a full course, a manual and automation. She signed up only for manual course for 2 months. She went through it. And I was shocked because within 3 months of graduation, she sent me this message right here saying that she got a job offer. And now she lives in Zimbabwe. She's 18 or 19 and she's making $1,000 per month as a QA intern. This is what Africa does and I love it. All right, let's move forward to the next continent. Now, we're flying to Australia, one of my favorite continents where I have not been yet. But this guy right here got a job offer as a QA automation engineer. He got quite an interesting story, as he's a Ukrainian immigrant to Australia who was working as a truck driver, and he called me. He said, Sergey, I'm a truck driver, but I want to wake up with my kid. Recently, I had a baby, I got a daughter, and I want to wake up with my kid and with my wife, not with a truck. I will do whatever it takes. His English wasn't the best. His technical skills weren't the best. But what it took him is only dedication, literally. He became one of the most dedicated students who was working full-time, who was studying full-time aside and sleeping not much in his truck. And what happened is he got $100,000 job offer in Australia, which is quite amazing. So kudos to Dennis for this guy from Australia who's now finally waking up with his kid. And we're moving forward to Europe. One of my favorite places, because that's the place where I was born. And we had quite a lot of job offers, but particularly I want to tell you guys about a few of them. Number one, this Brazilian guy in Germany right here. His name is Alvaro. He was born on the border of Brazil and Uruguay, if I'm not mistaken, and he moved to Germany about 5 years ago. He was working on a factory cutting metal, so pretty much an intense work. He was also working as a photographer and something else on the side, so he had 3 jobs. Same thing, young kid. By the way, guys, I think young kids are motivating people to change their life and to start making money. So he called me, he said, Sergey, I am a friend of Lucas, a Brazilian guy who recently got a job offer after your course, and I've seen what he does, he showed me that. I would like to do the same thing. And he signed up for the course instantly. He didn't think. He didn't go for introduction week. He literally signed up for the course. On the side of that, he was also taking public speaking classes with me to improve his accent and to improve his articulation. And guess what? I'm going to attach his video right here because he got a job offer and he's making $80,000 per year working in Europe, which is quite amazing. I got some bugs here. And he's doing one job only now. But let's quickly move to neighbor country Poland, where Olena also got a job offer. And this girl is living in Poland and she's making $4,750 per year. Quite amazing. She's super happy. She's a mom of a young kid as well. As I mentioned, guys, if you want to get a good job, get kids first. Now, we're moving to America. Welcome to South America. That's where I actually am right now. And we're in Brazil. Recently, one of our graduates got a job offer here at Amazon. Think about it. The guy never had any tech experience before in his life. The guy is 19 years young, if I'm not mistaken, kid who was still going through college or university, and he took our course. Same thing, he was referral of Lucas. It's actually his cousin. He took our course. He went through a full 5.5 months course. He ended up looking for a job for 2 months, and he sent me this Brazilian good-looking message right here. I'm just kidding. It's all in English, but he's from Brazil. He got a job offer in Amazon. He's making approximately 2,000 bucks per month, and he's still studying, if I'm not mistaken. It's just mind-blowing. The guy is such a young kid, but he says he has so much potential now. He's already working for Amazon before he even turned 20. Quite insane. Let's talk about his uncle, Lucas, who got quite a few job offers already, who referred an insane amount of Brazilians already, who got job offers from all over the world. I'm going to leave a link to his LinkedIn profile, because this guy is also doing videos for Codemify. He was designer. I hired him as a designer. While he was designing this website right here called Codemify, he asked me, Sergi, I see a lot of videos where people make quite a good money. I live in Brazil. Do you think I can get a job? I can study and get a job offer here as well? Or can I work for the US? He did get a job offer after the education for the US company. And now he's making really good salary that he asked me not to share, but I'm pretty sure you guys can guess his salary right below this video. Now, let's move forward to Northern America and to United States. Welcome to Florida, and one of the best job offers our students got recently. This girl was working as the QA manager before. She lost her job offer because of the layoff. She came to me and she said, Sergi, I've been in a QA for a while. I need to learn automation because I feel like my skills are outdated. Hey, I gotcha. Let's just go through test automation course, learn Playwright AI agents, GitHub Actions as a CI/CD, Playwright for UI and API testing, and quite more technologies. She gained experience. She got ready for an interview preparation because she went through 86 rounds of interview prep. I know. It's quite mind-blowing, and you guys tell me in the comments below if you've ever seen a place in your life where they will prepare you for interviews in such a way. It took her, I believe, 1 month, if I'm not mistaken. I love getting these messages right here. Just look at it.
Great news, I just signed my offer. Now I'm senior associate vice president in testing in a huge bank. I was a QA manager and I lost my job in September, and I took Codemify course right away. I started like the same week. After I finished the course, now I can answer any questions about automation with Playwright and JavaScript. Literally every single question. I'm so glad I didn't waste my time and I took this course, and it's just amazing. I'm so grateful to all the mentors, to Sergi, to my team.
How much happiness. I instantly jumped on a call. I flew to her, but I did not record an interview with her yet, although I will do it soon. She got $1,000 job offer, base salary, plus she is getting bonus on the top of that. Plus she is getting stocks, if I'm not mistaken, on the top of that. Plus this girl has already asked me for one referral for one of our best students to work in her friend's company. And now she's about to start hiring her team because her title is quite higher than the QA manager. I cannot legally share it here, guys, but if you would love to, let me know by leaving a comment right below this video and saying what title did she get. Now, hit the like button below, subscribe to our channel, and get a lot of water and workout. I'll see you on the next video. Capybara.